nail. Cut. Use nail clippers to cut your nails. Long. She has long nails. Bite. Try not to bite your nails. Floor. Sweep. Can you pick up the broom and sweep the floor, please? Mop. I am mopping the floor. Spill. When I was painting the wall, I spilled paint on the floor. Finger. Cut. She cut her finger on a piece of the plate. Tap. I tap my fingers on the table when I am listening to music. Point. It isn't nice to point your finger at someone. Head. Turn. Turn your head slightly for the photo. Nod. Nod your head for yes. Bald. His bald head made him look older. Pot. Fill. Fill the pot with water to cook the pasta. Cover. My mom covered the pot with a lid to cook the meat faster. Heat. Heat the soup in a pot until it starts to boil. Coffee. Drink. Drink coffee if you're feeling tired. Pour. Pour coffee into the thermos for the trip. Cup. Let's have a cup of coffee together. Car. Drive. I drive a car to the grocery store. Alarm. I heard a car alarm from the window. Start. I took a bus to work because my car wouldn't start. Oil. Heat. Heat the oil before adding the onions. Pour. He poured oil over the chicken before roasting it. Fry. You can fry the egg in oil for a quick meal. Pants. Iron. I need to iron my pants before the interview. Wear. Do you usually wear pants or skirts? Tight. These pants are too tight for me. Photo. Take. She loves to take photos of nature. Carry. I carry a photo of my family in my wallet. Frame. They hung a framed photo on the wall. Thank you for watching.